Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Ice and Fire, and they have all sorts of new items out, so they sent me some to do a review on, so I'm going to go through those with you. So first up we have a few bath bombs. This one is apple pie a la mode, apple, cinnamon, and vanilla. That one smells really good. So there is a ring in here valued up to $5,000. And I've done a couple demos of their items before, so I'll link that playlist in case you want to see it. Also have Bubblegum Blast. Oh my gosh, I bet that smells so good. Definitely smells like bubblegum, so that one's yummy. And then Funky Monkey. I was really excited for this one. So this one is a tropical banana. I love banana, and not many companies put out a banana scent. So that smells good. Can't wait to try that one. They also sent an essential oil diffuser, so I'll go ahead and make sure I insert a little demo of that so you can see what that looks like. But there is the box, directional nozzle, up to 4 hours of runtime, color changing LED, and it's BPA free. Very nice. They're very simple to use if you've never used one. Just put water in it, add essential oils, and turn it on. Very nice. And then, to go along with that, they did send one of the essential oils. This is a sweet orange. Cute little bottle too, nice packaging. So I've got that, and then I believe this is a candle, so I'm going to go ahead and unbox that. And inside that box we have two candles. They have little screw-off metal tops. Cute packaging again, and this one is bubblegum, and I did take a whiff of it when I was opening it. Oh, it smells so good. And this company is based in Canada, but they ship to the US. And I have a link below as well. And this one is Bamboo Antique. So I can't wait to start burning these, and I will do individual reviews for those as well. So here's what the diffuser looks like. This little line in here is the fill line, so I'm going to add some water, put the lid on it, and then I'll show you what it looks like. It does color change, which is super fun. Okay, so I have my water in there. I'm going to add about 3 to 4 drops, sometimes more because it comes out quickly, but this smells so good. And then this part goes on top, and this part goes on top of that. So there's a power button, press it once, and that will do a continuous mist. Probably can't see it, it's just starting up, there's a little bit there. If you press it again, that turns it off, and then we have another button for the color. So if you press it once, that will rotate through all the colors. If you press it again, you could stop it on a particular color, and if you keep pressing it, it will turn off the light. Oh, I could already smell it. I love these, especially when the kids are sick. I use them a lot. I keep one in the kitchen, have one in the living room. So it's a better alternative really for candles. It just depends. Sometimes I can't use candles in areas where the kids can get to them, but they won't mess with this typically. Or if you don't have a good location for burning a candle, you could use a diffuser. That way you get the scent instantly. But I like this one. It slowly cycles through all the colors. They also have purple. That one's really pretty. And then you can turn it off. Very nice. Cool. So if you guys would like to order anything, I have a link below. And I think there was a promo code built into it. Not sure if that still works, but go ahead and give it a try. I have it all in the description box below. And stay tuned. I'm going to start doing the demos for these products so you can see what kind of jewelry I find inside. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.